I just think it's important to show the contributions that people from the LGBT community have had in Wales and across the world, really, but just to highlight, our contributions to history and the community. And I think it's just good that it's finally being recognised after all these years of not being recognised.
And with this being a very important year for sport, how is your organisation going to celebrate LGBT History Month Cymru?
Well, we've got an open day on Sunday, welcoming anybody to come along just to experience the non-threatening attitude that we have to sport and the inclusive attitude that we have to sport and football in particular, and we want as many people to come along as possible and to enjoy football for what it is, which is just a game, really, and without the homophobia and prejudice that's often linked with the sport.
That's lovely. Thank you very much for your time, Tomos.
No problem at all.